Getting approved by Google AdSense in 2026 is one of the best ways to start earning money from your blog or website. But a lot of creators apply and get rejected without knowing why. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what Google is looking for and the step-by-step process to get your AdSense application approved. Let's get into it. Google AdSense is a free program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads. When visitors view or click those ads, you earn a share of the ad revenue. It's one of the most popular and trusted ways to monetize a blog or website, and it's completely free to apply. But Google has clear quality standards your site must meet before they'll approve you. That's what the rest of this video is all about. Let's start with why most websites get rejected. The most common reasons are not enough original content. The site is too new with very few posts. Important pages like privacy policy are missing. The website is slow or broken on mobile, or the content is copied from somewhere else. If your site has any of these issues, AdSense will reject it often without much explanation. The good news is that every one of these problems is fixable. Here's how. Before applying, make sure your website has at least 15 to 20 high-quality original articles. Each post should be at least 800 to 1,000 words and focused on a specific topic in your niche. Write in your own voice. Share your knowledge, your experience, and real value for your readers. Don't use content from other websites and don't rely on spinners or copy-paste tools. Google wants to see an active, credible blog, not a thin site with a handful of short posts. Your website must have 4 essential pages before you apply. First, an about page, who you are and what your site is about. Second, a contact page so visitors and advertisers can reach you. Third, a privacy policy page explaining how your site handles visitor data. And fourth, a terms of service page. If any of these are missing, your application will likely be rejected. You can find free generators online to create these pages in minutes. Don't skip this step. In 2026, most people browse the internet on their phones. If your website doesn't work well on mobile, you're going to have problems with Google AdSense and with search rankings. Use a responsive theme and test your site with Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Then check your speed with Google PageSpeed Insights. Aim for a load time under 3 seconds. A clean, fast, mobile-ready website tells Google your site is professional and worth approving. This one is non-negotiable. Google has zero tolerance for plagiarism. Never copy content from other websites. Never use article spinners. And if you use AI tools to help you write, always edit the output, add your own insights, and fact-check everything. Your content needs to be unique and genuinely helpful. Before you publish any article, run it through a plagiarism checker like Copyscape or Grammarly. One copied article can get your entire site flagged and your application denied. Once your site meets all these requirements, you're ready to apply. Go to adsense.google.com, sign in with your Google account, enter your website URL, and submit your application. Google typically reviews applications within a few days to a few weeks. While you wait, keep publishing content. Once you're approved, you'll add a small piece of code to your site, and your ads will start showing. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and visit obgodson.com for more blogging and online income tips.